Hello everyone, welcome to Easy English Learning Class. आजको भिडियोमा हामी सिक्छौं प्लेजर एन्ड पेन, खुसी अनि दुखी। तिमी बडो खुसी देखिन्छौ। यसलाई इंग्लिशमा You are looking very happy. You are looking very happy. तिमी किन उदास छौ? यसलाई इंग्लिशमा Why are you sad? Why are you sad? यस्तो मौका घरिघरि आउँदैन। यसलाई इंग्लिशमा Such occasion as this do not come again and again. Such occasion as this do not come again and again. सबै खुसी हुन चाहन्छन्। यसलाई इंग्लिशमा All want to be happy. All want to be happy. सुखको खोजीमा को हुँदैन? यसलाई इंग्लिशमा Who is not in search of happiness? Who is not in search of happiness? सुख अनि दुःख एउटै चीज दुई पाटा हुन्। यसलाई इंग्लिशमा Pleasure and pain are two aspects of the same things. Pleasure and pain are two aspects of the same things. सादा जीवन सुखी जीवन। यसलाई इंग्लिशमा Simple life a happy life. Simple life a happy life. उनी आफ्नो पुत्रको जन्मोत्सव मनाइरहेका छन्। यसलाई इंग्लिशमा They are celebrating their son's birthday. They are celebrating their son's birthday. बिहेको बाजा बज्न थाल्यो। यसलाई इंग्लिशमा The marriage pipes began to sound. The marriage pipes began to sound. उसको खुसीको पार थिएन। यसलाई इंग्लिशमा His happiness had no limits. His happiness had no limits. उसले म्याच जित्यो र खुसी रोक्न सकिरहेको छैन। यसलाई इंग्लिशमा He won the match and he could not contain himself with joy. He won the match and he could not contain himself with joy. तिमीलाई के कुराको चिन्ता छ? यसलाई इंग्लिशमा What grief do you have? What grief do you have? दुर्भाग्य एक्लै आउँदैन। यसलाई इंग्लिशमा Misfortune does not come alone. Misfortune does not come alone. ऊ ढुरु ढुरु रोइरहन्थ्यो। यसलाई इंग्लिशमा He was weeping bitterly. He was weeping bitterly. सायद कोही बित्यो होला। यसलाई इंग्लिशमा Perhaps somebody has passed away. Perhaps somebody has passed away. उसको मृत्युको शोक मनाइयो। यसलाई इंग्लिशमा His death was mourned. His death was mourned. के तिमी शोक सभामा थियौ? यसलाई इंग्लिशमा Were you present in the condolence meeting? Were you present in the condolence meeting? लास कहिले उठाउने? When will the buyer be taken out? When will the buyer be taken out? उसले लासलाई काँध लियो। यसलाई इंग्लिशमा He carried the buyer. He carried the buyer. मृत्युले सबैलाई बराबर पार्छ। यसलाई इंग्लिशमा Death levels everything. Death levels everything. उसलाई गहिरो चोट लाग्यो अनि सबै भताभुङ्गो भयो। यसलाई इंग्लिशमा He was badly hurt and the sport was spoiled. He was badly hurt and the sport was spoiled. दुःख बाँड्दा बाटिन्छ। यसलाई इंग्लिशमा Grief is divided by sharing. Grief is divided by sharing. सुख बाँड्दा बढ्छ। यसलाई इंग्लिशमा Pleasure increases by sharing. Pleasure increases by sharing. सुखमा सबै साथी हुन्छन्। यसलाई इंग्लिशमा All are partner in pleasure. All are partner in pleasure. उसले दुःखमा पनि साथ छोडेन। यसलाई इंग्लिशमा He did not leave me in loss even in sorrow. He did not leave me in loss even sorrow. उसलाई गहिरो धक्का लाग्यो। यसलाई इंग्लिशमा He was shocked. He was shocked. सुख त आन्तरिक हुन्छ। यसलाई इंग्लिशमा Happiness is internal. Happiness is internal. दिनुमा नै सुख छ। यसलाई इङ्ग्लिसमा pleasure is in giving. Pleasure is in giving. ऊ सबैलाई सुखी देख्न चाहन्छ। यसलाई इङ्ग्लिसमा you want to see everybody happy. He want to see everybody happy. अर्काको सुखको लागि उसले ज्यान दियो। यसलाई इङ्ग्लिसमा he sacrificed his life for the happiness of others. He sacrificed his life for the happiness of others. कसैलाई दुःख नदेऊ। Don't give pain to anybody. Don't give pain to anybody. मोह दुःखको जरा हो। यसलाई इङ्ग्लिसमा attachment is the root of suffering. Attachment is the root of suffering.